Hi, मैं हूँ उषा जाधव and you are watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
It's a huge privilege to have a national award-winning actress Usha Jadhav with us. Her recent movie Veerappan has earned her a huge encomiums from all across all the critics and the general public as well. Usha, pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama first of all. And how does it feel that the sort of response that you got for Veerappan? In fact, you were the only one who got unanimous positive reviews as far as your performance is concerned.
First of all, thank you for having me on this show. I'm very happy the kind of response which I got and still I'm getting from people for Veerappan. Because when I was working, I never thought, because the central character is Veerappan. So I was like, okay, there is Veerappan's wife also. But after the release, all critics, all audience, they are messaging me on Facebook, they are writing on Twitter, on my wall of Facebook page, everything. Normal audience is also loving me, and that what really matters to me. Because I'm an actor and I want my work to go to the people, कि लोग उसको देखें. People should appreciate my work and they are appreciating, so I'm really happy right now.
In fact, जब आप वो बना रही हैं, उसमें आप खाना ना बना रही हैं, the sort of language that you're using, the sort of समझ में आ रहा है कि मोहब्बत की बातें हो रही हैं कि कुछ कटाक्ष हो रहा है. That was really interesting, the way you handled that. कहीं ना कहीं as an actress, do you feel that that effortlessness that you bring on screen is something that how much effort do you have to make for just bringing that effortlessness on screen?
I really don't put much efforts, because of efforts डालते हो तो efforts दिखते भी हैं. Whatever is the scene, I just try to be natural, that's all, rather than thinking कि what else or what extra I can put. Director is there, director knows what exactly he wants, and yes, I just do one thing, that I need to understand what my director wants.
Right.
So I just try to understand that and be natural and just convey that. I really don't remember the kind of efforts I put. I don't know. I don't put any efforts.
Okay, and apparently Mr. Verma, Ramgopal Verma's mother called you up after the release and praised your performance a lot. So what was the entire conversation like?
On Thursday, actually, there was a screening, and rest everyone was watching the film. Me, Ramu sir and Sachin and our PR team, we were just sitting and talking, and then Ramu sir came to me. He gave me his phone. I was like shocked. He just stabbed me and said, "My mother wants to talk to you." I was like, "Really? For what?" I took the phone, and then she said, "We just saw Veerappan. We are in Hyderabad, and we just came out of the theatre, and we really loved you in the film." She said, I can't speak much English, but we really loved in the film. You are very natural, and लगा नहीं कि you are acting. I mean, you are an actress or you are acting in the film. We just thought that she's a Muthu Lakshmi. Then Ramu sir's sister spoke to me, and she said, "You are very natural. The way you speak, the way you move in the film, your body language, it was so natural that we really loved you the most in the film."
Right.
And they said, "We would love to meet you and congratulate you in person."
Right. So when is that going to happen?
I don't know. Whenever they come here, I think. But that was really a big compliment for me and very surprising.
Okay, you were also seen in Bhootnath Returns with Mr. Bachchan. You played the mother of the kid, Akhrot. Now, in fact, when I met you over the other day at the screening of Veerappan, I couldn't recognize that how can you play like a mother to like a 10-year-old or whatever. You look way too young. You got a wonderful response for that performance as well.
Yeah.
How was that experience, and why is it that after Bhootnath Returns we are seeing you in Veerappan? Why is it that you're not doing more Hindi films?
Bhootnath's experience was really good for me, because I worked with Bachchan sir earlier in a
you worked for
KBC6 promo, yeah. But that was just one day's work, and Nitish was the creative head of that ad, Nitish Tiwari. So when Nitish was about to direct the film, he called me, and I met Nitish, and Nitish narrated me the story, and he said, "I know that you recently got national award, and this is not something like that. This is not a female-centric film, or you will get national award for this." But he said, "I want you to be part of my film. You take your time, think, and let me know." But I didn't think much, because it was Bachchan sir first thing, because I really wanted to do a film with him. एक दिन सिर्फ हमने काम किया था, दैट वाज ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस, बट आई वाज गेटिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी
Be a
to do
part
a
of a
feature
film.
film. Yeah. And then Bachchan sir was there, Baman sir was there, the banner BR Films is a really मतलब जिनकी फिल्में मैं बचपन से देखती आ रही हूँ, I was getting an opportunity to work under that banner, and of course Nitesh sir, because he's a fantastic writer. I worked with him twice before Bhootnath.
जी
So that was great experience working with Bachchan sir. He is an institution. जितना कुछ आपको सीखने को, मतलब आप सिर्फ उनके साथ बैठो, थोड़ी देर बैठ भी जाओगे ना तो भी आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे. सो दैट वाज रियली ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी टू वर्क विथ हिम, एंड ही मेक्स यू रियली कंफर्टेबल. कभी वो उनका ऑरा नहीं होता है कि अरे मैं सुपरस्टार हूँ, तो कैसे, वैसा कुछ नहीं. इज़ वेरी फ्रेंडली. हम बैठ के डिस्कस करते थे, स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग करते थे, फिर उसके बाद भी बकवास की बातें भी करते थे. ही यूज्ड टू टेल अस अबाउट हिज एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो इट वाज रियली वेरी ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी, Bhootnath Returns.
You won National Award for Marathi film Thug. Apparently, your performance was in a way drawn parallels with Smita Patil as well. And I think Smita Patil is someone that you idolize in real life too. How was that experience, that when you were compared with Smita Patil, a very, very fine actress that you had?
Yeah. First comparison was done by my most favorite director, Sai Paransby.
Aha.
In 2012, there was a screening of Dhag in Goa Marathi Festival. That was the first screening of the film in June 2012, much before National Award. She saw the film, and 3 days we were together. It was in the closing. She said, 2 days I'm watching you. You are so young. मतलब उन्होंने कहा कि तू इतनी छोटी दिखती है. तुझे पता है तूने स्क्रीन पे क्या किया है? And she said, after so many years, the caliber of Smita, Shabana and Dipti, I saw in you. So that was the first comparison, and then things started. She was the first person to compare, and मुझे actually कभी-कभी थोड़ा सा, I mean, I feel stressed because Smita Patil, yeah.
No, obviously.
Yeah.
No, I think you're a phenomenal actress. You know, whatever we've seen in both Bhootnath Returns as well as Veerappan, the naturalness that you bring, you know, you literally just own the space as far as the big screen is concerned. Not many actresses or many actors can easily do that. You spoke about Deepti Naval, but at that she compared you to Deepti Naval. Apparently, your Hindi debut film was Do Paise Ki Dhoop Char Aane Ki Barish, which was the directorial debut of Deepti Naval.
I did the film, of course. I did a very small role, but my first film was Traffic Signal.
Acha.
Madhur Bhandarkar's film.
What did you do in Traffic Signal?
I did the role of Gajrewali. Mala was my character's name. So that was my first film. Before that, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था, थिएटर नहीं किया है, मराठी नहीं, हिंदी नहीं, कोई थिएटर नहीं किया. First time screen face किया तो that was Traffic Signal.
You were working as well, I believe.
Yes, I was working in a travel agency in Pune.
You're working in travel agency.
I used to work as a travel executive.
So you don't have any formal training in acting?
No. I don't have any formal training in acting.
And you won a national award.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how's been the journey like? How did you manage to pull it off?
It was very tough journey for me because कोई background नहीं है आपका, acting से कोई background नहीं है, film industry में कोई नहीं है, ना ही बॉम्बे में कोई था. I used to work in Pune, 3 years I worked there, but I never got an opportunity to do something in film industry or in theatre, क्योंकि थिएटर पूना का बहुत फेमस है. सो दैट्स वाई मैं कोल्हापुर से पुणे शिफ्ट हुई थी कि आई यूज्ड टू कुछ फैमिली की प्रॉब्लम्स भी थी तो मुझे काम करना था. इमीडिएटली आफ्टर 12th आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. सो 3 साल ऐसे गुजर गए काम में ही कि सैलरी आपकी इंक्रीज करनी है ना, ऑल दोस एक जॉब की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है उसमें 3 साल निकल गए. देन वन डे आई थॉट कि लेट्स मूव टू बॉम्बे नाउ बिकॉज फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड आई वांटेड टू बिकम एन एक्टर. सो आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि कोशिश करनी चाहिए, पहले अटेम्प्ट करो सो दैट लाइफ टाइम रिग्रेट ना हो कि मैंने अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया.
क्या बात.
सो आई सेड लेट्स मूव टू बॉम्बे. सो आई केम टू बॉम्बे फॉर अ वीक. मेरी स्कूल फ्रेंड की आंटियाँ रहती है, अभी भी रहती है, शी स्टेज ऑन माटुंगा रोड. आई केम टू हर प्लेस, स्टेड फॉर अ वीक, जॉब्स के इंटरव्यू दिए, आई गॉट अ जॉब. Then I shifted to Bombay. In 6 months I worked here. I used to stay in Mira Road and I used to work in Mahalakshmi.
You stayed in Mira Road?
Yeah.
I stayed in Mira Road. Okay.
I used to stay in Mira Road and I used to work in Mahalakshmi. So all those peak hours, Virar train.
My God.
मतलब अचानक से आप कोल्हापुर में कोई लोकल ट्रेन नहीं है, पुणे में कोई लोकल ट्रेन नहीं है, आप ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बॉम्बे में आते हो एंड देयर इज अ ह्यूज विरार लोकल एंड पीक आवर्स मीरा रोड से चढ़ना,
Yeah.
ओ गॉड, इट वाज रियली
चढ़ना
नाइटमेयर फॉर मी.
उतरना दोनों.
हाँ, चढ़ना उतरना दोनों. इट वाज अ रियली नाइटमेयर फॉर मी. बट स्टिल आपको जाना है ऑफिस में, आपको चढ़ना है. 1 2 3 बोल दो, भगवान का नाम लो और चढ़ जाओ ट्रेन में, जैसे भी चढ़ सकते हो. सो 6 months आई वर्क एंड एक्चुअली फेमस के लेन में मेरा ऑफिस था ना, तो सैटरडे हाफ डे के बाद आई यूज्ड टू गो टू फेमस, सो जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द इंडस्ट्री, दैट हाउ इट वर्क्स. कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं, कोऑर्डिनेटर्स होते हैं, आपको ऑडिशंस देने पड़ते हैं. सो वो सब समझ लिया. फिर उसके बाद वहीं से पता चला था कि यूटीवी का ऑफिस उस वक्त ना मैड फिल्म्स और यूटीवी का ऑफिस था. सो वन डे आई वेंट टू यूटीवीज ऑफिस फॉर, देखते हैं सीरियल चल रहे थे उनके, कहाँ की जाके देख के तो आते हैं कि ऑडिशन लेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे.
जी.
सो जस्ट वेंट देयर एंड देयर वाज अ लेडी कॉल्ड गीतांजलि राव. उन्होंने ना मधुर जी की फिल्म्स की थी, सत्ता और कॉर्पोरेट, छोटे छोटे रोल्स किए थे उन्होंने. शी सेड आई एम डूइंग ट्रैफिक सिग्नल एंड व्हाई डोंट यू गो एंड मीट मधुर जी. आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड लव टू, गिव मी द एड्रेस. सो उन्होंने अंधेरी का एड्रेस दिया. चार बंगलों में उनका ऑफिस था. पता नहीं था अंधेरी कहाँ है, अंधेरी वेस्ट, चार बंगलों, कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था. स्टिल आई केम, आई वेंट टू द ऑफिस एंड आई गॉट ट्रैफिक सिग्नल. देन
Rest is history.
Rest is not history, of course, but rest is there. Then the film industry journey began.
All right.
And then actually my parents came to know that कि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है और मैं जॉब छोड़ रही हूँ.
अच्छा, फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर
Seems
कुछ
like a
नहीं.
movie actually.
No. I told them because they know मैं बहुत जिद्दी हूँ. अपोज मैंने कहा अपोज करो मत, क्योंकि मुझे यही करना है. And now I have the opportunity. I'm not going to leave that opportunity. I'm going to leave my job. बिकॉज 3.5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस मेरा अच्छा था. ट्रेनी से परमानेंट से सीनियर तक मैं पहुंच चुकी थी. बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 3,000 आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एंड देन व्हेन आई वाज लिविंग इट वाज 25,000. सो एक नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से जब आते हैं लोग ना, तो पेरेंट्स वन डेफिनेटली, वो उनकी गलती नहीं थी कि अगर मुझे वो अपोज भी करते थे, मना भी कर रहे थे, तो क्योंकि एक सिक्योरिटी चाहते हैं वो लोग कि एक सिक्योर तेरा जॉब है, अच्छी सैलरी है, वाई यू लिविंग नाउ. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का कुछ हमारा कोई दूर दूर तक नाता नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. देयर इज नो सिक्योरिटी इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री.
बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली.
बट स्टिल मैं जिद्दी हूँ, मैं इसीलिए अभी तक यहाँ हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल. You had like say whatever we've seen primarily. You've had Bhootnath Returns. You've had Veerappan. Both the places you're playing these sari-clad middle class ladies role somehow. I've not seen the Marathi films that way. I would love to actually. So I wouldn't really know how you fared over there. But I was going through a few of your pictures on Facebook, and I saw this picture of you in a quite a glamorous avatar as well. So is there like a tussle that you have, that you want to do like out and out glamorous roles as well, and is it something that you want to do as well?
Of course. I would love to do different kinds of role. As an actor, I would like to go and, मतलब क्या होता है कि अपनी दिशा, चारों दिशा में जाकर के आपको रोल्स करने चाहिए. So I would love to do all kind of roles. Definitely glamorous roles, because I'm a normal person. Whatever role comes to me, I do that. अगर साड़ी वाला रोल है या फिर कोई है, so it's okay. I don't have any problem also to represent a normal Indian woman.
Right.
If I'm representing that in my films, okay, I'm happy. But yes, I would love to do glamorous roles, out and out glamorous roles, normal comedy, maybe item number. I really dance well.
Acha.
Yeah, so I would love to do that.
Great. And what are the films that you're doing right now, say in Hindi as well as Marathi films? Are you doing Marathi films right now?
No, I'm not doing any Marathi films as of now. Let's see, in future I might do. Hindi I am doing. I'm about to sign a film in just this week. That's the main lead, and
Okay.
it's a good film. It's a commercial film. It's not the festival film.
Okay, and the sort of response that Marathi films have been getting of late, say for example, when we met you last, Sairat has been doing exceptional business, and it may be the first Marathi film that may cross 100 crore net, which is unprecedented in its own way. Nat Samrat this year has done exceedingly well. There have been Killa, and there has been Code, for example, which have been fine. Then even the commercial films like Le Bhari, for example, the sort of business it has done, Lion Pass, the sort of business it has done, Dunyadari,
Dunyadari, yeah.
the sort of response that it has been getting. How do you look at this particular aspect? Because the interesting part is that, say, for example, in Hindi films, if you're making a movie in 30 or 40 crores, and if you make, like, say, 60 crores, it's considered a hit. But here, if you're having like a 3 crore budget and if you're making 30 crores, that is 10 times the investment, which is humongous, huge by any standards whatsoever. So, आप कैसे देखते हैं इस पूरे trend को as far as Marathi cinema is concerned?
See, I've been saying this कि Marathi cinema का this is a golden period. It's going through really great period, Marathi cinema. It started from Shwas. Shwas was the first Marathi film which was official entry for Oscar.
Right.
So श्वास से जो शुरू हुई है मराठी सिनेमा की जर्नी, look at सैराट, it's really going up and up. अगर मतलब आगे जाकर के 500 करोड़ तक भी फिल्म पहुंचे ना, तो भी कोई मतलब शॉक नहीं होना चाहिए. And I think it will go to that level also because content wise मराठी सिनेमा हमेशा से अच्छा था. And अभी नट सम्राट से जो शुरू हुआ ना कमर्शियली, क्योंकि एक लोगों में अवेयरनेस आया कि अभी चलो देखते हैं मराठी सिनेमा को लोग सीरियसली लेना शुरू किए. नॉट ओनली मराठी स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस, नॉन मराठी स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस, दे आर ऑल्सो रियली टेकिंग सीरियस मराठी सिनेमा को. सो दे आर गोइंग इन टू थिएटर एंड वॉचिंग फिल्म्स. दैट्स द रीज़न मराठी सिनेमा इज़ रियली डूइंग वेल नाउ. बिकॉज पहले शायद इतने अवेयर नहीं थे लोग, इतना मराठी सिनेमा को किसी ने ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेते नहीं थे कमर्शियल वे में. क्रिएटिवली ऑफकोर्स मराठी सिनेमा हमेशा से अच्छा है. Even today they are doing well because they are young directors who are coming up with new things. They want to do some nice experiment जो किसी ने किया नहीं होगा. So they want to do that from Ravi till Nagraj. If you look at them, they all are young. रवि की पहली फिल्म थी नट सम्राट, नागराज की दूसरी फिल्म है सैराट, चैतन्य तामानी की पहली फिल्म थी कोर्ट, संजय की डेफिनेटली संजय जादव की पहली फिल्म नहीं थी, तीसरी चौथी फिल्म थी. बट दीज यंग पीपल वो कमिंग अप विथ न्यू थिंग्स कि हमें कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है. दे डोंट केयर देन कि कमर्शियली सक्सेसफुल हो या ना हो. अगर आपने अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है तो नाउअडेज रियली पीपल आर कमिंग, पीपल वांट टू सी फिल्म्स, दे वांट टू सी मराठी फिल्म्स.
Absolutely. Usha Jadhav, it was wonderful talking to you and really inspiring work that you've been doing. Whatever we've seen so far, I'd love to see your Marathi films very soon, and I hope to catch them soon as well. And all the best wishes for all your future ventures, and thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.